Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can create this magician look and dress to impress. Okay guys, let's get started. I'm going to show you the items I'm wearing to create this look, and this look needs one item from the VIP, but just this one, and actually you can replace it with another accessory. Okay, I'm going to take off my outfits first. Okay guys, you're going to use all these hairstyles and you're going to color it with this red color. And for the style, you can remove the bangs. Okay, and the next one, I'm going to go to this area and I'm going to choose the suit. And we're going to color it black for the first selection, and for the next selection we're going to color it black as well, and for the last selection we're going to color it white for the last selection and also the third selection. And choose this top and you're going to color it white, and I'm going to go to this area and choose this corset. And I'm going to color it black for the green part. Okay, I'm going to color it black for this one. Alright, and I'm going to choose this jacket and color it black for all the previews, for all the selections. Okay, and I'm going to wear this heel. This one, we're going to change the toggle to knee length. Okay, it's done. And I'm going to choose this bow. It's right here, and toggle it 4. I'm going to change the toggle to 4, and we're going to color it black. Okay. And sorry guys, I forgot one item, this hat. You're going to color it black and black, and then for the flower just color it black as well. Alright, and I'm going to go to the dressing room right here and then choose the Sabrina Carpenter outfit and just color them all black. Okay, like this. Alright, and I'm going to choose this one as well, and I'm going to color it white. Okay, and I'm going to move to I'm going to move to the Valentine's update area. It's here in this box. And if you have VIP, you can choose this one. Okay, and for the second selection, I'm just going to color it with this red color. Okay guys, and this is the final result. Okay, and that's all the way to create this magician look and dress to impress. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye!